Today's logo tutorial is a special request from @EmperorKazi. We're going to design a creative combination mark logo in Canva. Simple, modern, and eye-catching. Let's jump in and create the vibe and design logo together.
CANVOO.
Let's go straight to the text menu. Select Add Title. Type Vibe and Design in 2 lines. After that, align the text to the left. Next, change the font type to Monarda by typing the font name in the search bar. We can increase the font size. Adjust the line spacing so it's not too wide. Adjust the size again and center it. We can enlarge the design canvas size to make it easier when creating the logo. Next, let's color the top text with the color pink using the color code FF3CAC. Then color the bottom text as well. For the bottom text, we'll use the color electric blue with the color code 007BFF. Now it's time to add an effect to the word mark. Go to Effects and select Frame, change the frame effect color to black. Next, duplicate the word mark logo into 2. For the duplicated version, change the color to black. Then duplicate the black text into 2. Move one of them to the side first. Focus on this black text first, go to Position, then move it to the backmost layer. Next, we just need to adjust the position so that it looks like the shadow of the word mark logo we created. Moving on to this black text, let's change the color to light gray. Do the same with the effect color, changing it to the same color. Then move this gray text layer as shown in the example. Position the text opposite the black text. If the spacing between the lines is still not right, adjust it again as desired. For a neater result, we can move the gray text layer to the back. Next, add a vibe icon to the logo by taking the circle shape from the element, then adjust its size and place it as shown in the example. Next, we can take the circular line shape. Then change its color to white. For the circular element, we can change its color to an orange gradient like this. Then we can adjust the position of the circular lines like this. Duplicate and place them below until they form 3 curved lines like the example. The next step is to group the circular element and all the circular lines into one. The next step is to group the circle elements and all the circle lines together, then position the layer at the back. The final step is to add a pencil icon. You can search for it using the keyword pencil sketch in the element search bar. Please select this pencil shape. We can adjust its size and place it as proportionally as possible. Next, we can change the color of the pencil icon to match the text color in the logo. Move the layer so it is behind the text. And finally, group all the logo elements together. That's it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed creating this logo with me, don't forget to hit like, drop a comment if you have more logo requests. And of course, subscribe to CANVOO for more Canva design hacks. See you in the next video.